In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable hardware graphics acceleration in Microsoft PowerPoint. This setting controls whether PowerPoint uses your computer's graphics processor to render slides, animations, and transitions. When your hardware and drivers are solid, acceleration can make motion smoother and reduce lag. If you're seeing flickering shapes, screen tearing, sluggish redrawing, or crashes during slideshows, turning it off is a quick way to stabilize things. Note that this option is commonly available in PowerPoint for Windows. On some Mac versions, you may not see the checkbox. Start by opening PowerPoint. With the app open, head to the File tab in the upper left corner and choose Options to open the PowerPoint Options window. In the left pane, select Advanced. Now scroll down until you reach the Display section. Here you'll find a checkbox labeled Disable Hardware Graphics Acceleration. The wording can be a bit confusing, so let's keep it simple. Check the box to turn hardware acceleration off and uncheck it to keep hardware acceleration on. If you're troubleshooting display issues, like flickering during edits, black boxes appearing on images or shapes, jittery transitions, or unexpected crashes, check the box to disable acceleration and fall back to software rendering. If your system is up to date and you want the best performance, especially for transitions like morph, large images, embedded videos, or 3D models, leave the box unchecked to enable acceleration. Once you've made your choice, click OK to save the setting. For the change to fully take effect, restart PowerPoint. This matters because the rendering engine is initialized when the app launches, so a quick close and reopen ensures the new setting is applied. A few tips before you wrap up. Save any open presentations before making the change so you don't lose work during the restart. If enabling acceleration causes issues, update your graphics driver from your device manufacturer or Windows Update, then try turning acceleration back on. If the checkbox is missing or grayed out, your version of PowerPoint might not expose this option. Your device may not support it, or your organization could be managing the setting. After the restart, play a slideshow or test animations to confirm whether performance or stability has improved. And remember, you can always return to the same display section to toggle the checkbox again if your needs change. That's all there is to it. You now know how to enable or disable hardware graphics acceleration in Microsoft PowerPoint and when to use each option for the best balance of performance and reliability.